everyone, and welcome back to Data Science on the Fly. In this video, we will be discussing how to write a basic function in Python for beginners. Janice just left a boring conference in search of food. Outside the main doors, her only options are off-brand packaged cookies, so she wanders the conference building in search of something more substantial. Janice spots a huge platter of tacos outside of another conference and decides to eat a few before someone catches her. Create a function that tells us how full Janice will be based on the amount of time that she has to eat. If she is under 5 minutes, she'll still be very hungry. If she is between 5 and 10 minutes, she'll be slightly hungry. And if she is more than 10 minutes, she will be full. The first thing we need to recognize is that the function will require the input of the time Janice has. When we input this into our function, it should output back to us the state of her hunger. We will name the number of minutes that serve as our input as minutes. So let's start creating our function. We are going to call this function hunger state. Remember that our input value is going to be the number of minutes that Janice has to eat. If Janice has less than 5 minutes, the function should return Janice is very hungry. If Janice has between 5 and 10 minutes, the function should return Janice is slightly hungry. And if Janice has more than 10 minutes, the function should return Janice is full. This function uses an if-else statement to output the correct response to Janice's level of hunger. Now that we have our function created, let's test some inputs. Two important edge cases that we should pay attention to are when our input values are 5 or 10. What should our function return when we input these values? Let's find out. We see that when the input value is 5 or 10, the function returns Janice is slightly hungry. Now let's see what happens when our input value is 2. Our output value is Janice is very hungry. What if Janice has a minute value in between 5 and 10? Let's say Janice has 7 minutes. What will our output value be? If Janice has 7 minutes to eat, then she will still be slightly hungry. Lastly, let's see what Janice's hunger state is when she has 15 minutes to eat. If Janice has 15 minutes to eat, then she will be full. To recap, we created a basic function in Python using an if-else statement to tell us the hunger state of Janice based on the amount of time and minutes that she was given to eat. Until next time.